Hey guys, welcome to my channel Your Kitchen, Your Room. Well, the kitchen look different for you, right? Yes, we are not at my home, we are at my sister's home. And right now we are at her beautiful kitchen. And here she is. Meet my sister Jigna.
Hello everyone.
Dee, I'm feeling so happy and so lucky that you are on my channel today.
Yes, I'm also happy to see you all. And you also, Dipti.
Well, she is going to make an exotic Punjabi food for family gathering. And I grabbed the opportunity to shoot the video. She is going to make the base gravy recipe today. And this is the perfect gravy recipe I have ever tasted. I have tried so many Punjabi dishes at many restaurants and many places. But your recipe is a hit. Watch the video till end because it is a step-by-step recipe. I have never seen it before. The perfect recipe, step by step. And not only that, by this recipe, we can make so many dishes.
Yes, absolutely right. From this gravy, you can make paneer tikka masala, paneer burji, vegetable makhanwala, handi paneer, kadai paneer, or so on.
We can store it.
Yes, I will also show you that how you can store it in fridge for many days.
Well, so we can make Punjabi food when the guest arrives as soon as possible.
Yes, in 5 minutes.
Great! A must-try recipe. So do check it out my channel for more such recipes and subscribe if you like what I do, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So let's start! To make the perfect gravy, we will blend 4 different pastes in a mixie jar. The first step is to stir fry the onions. Slice the onion like so, and now heat up oil in a pan and over high heat stir continuously. No need to add salt or anything else. After a few minutes, the onion will change its color like so. That's we want. Now turn off the flame and transfer it to a bowl. For white paste, soaked cashew, melon seeds and poppy seeds in hot water for around 1 hour. For red paste, just cut tomatoes. This is the stir-fried onion which we have prepared. And lastly, for the green paste, take 1 capsicum, ginger, garlic and green chillies. That's it. So now let's blend it. It's super easy. You don't need to wash the jar while blending the paste one after another. Use the same jar and make it. It will take hardly 10 minutes. First, blend white paste. It gives the creamy and rich texture, and the cashew gives the nutty taste to the gravy. Blend it with a little bit of water, around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and make a smooth paste. Then transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Now the second paste, blend the stirred fried onion with a little bit of water. You see, we are using the same jar. No need to wash. Make a smooth paste and transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Now for the third paste, it is the red paste of tomato. No water needed. Keep it aside. And lastly, green paste. Add all the ingredients in a jar and add water, around 4 to 5 tablespoons, and blend. So our all 4 pastes are ready in no time. Now here all the spices. We have some whole spices and some powder spices. Now important note, you have to count the whole spices and then use it, because after the gravy done, we will remove it. You can keep it, but it doesn't taste good, so I will suggest you to remove it. Once everything is ready, it just takes 10 to 15 minutes to make the gravy. So it's really easy guys. The only thing is to prepare the proper proportion of spices. Now heat up vanaspati ghee and oil in a kadhai You have to take vanaspati ghee. You can't use pure ghee. In the restaurant, they use this ingredient. Now add all the whole spices. Remember, we have to count it so that we can remove it later. Cook the spices into the hot oil for few seconds. This way the flavors will be released. Then add the green paste first. Cook the paste for 2 minutes. Then add the onion paste. As the onions are already cooked, it will not take much time. Cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the third paste, the red paste, which is tomato puree. The tomatoes are raw, so cook them for around 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that. Then lastly, add the white paste, the creamy paste which built the texture and it will give the nutty taste to our gravy. Now add water to adjust the consistency. Now when all 4 pastes are well cooked, then it's time to add the powder spices to season it. Add Kasoori Methi. Now add all the masalas. Keep stirring in between to prevent lumps. Now after adding all the spices, mix really well and keep it on simmer on low heat so that the spices will release its flavor and our gravy will taste exotic. You see the oil has started separating. Add a pinch of nutmeg powder. Now to give it a richness, we are adding khoya and a little bit of butter. Now mix well. Now it's totally optional, but we are adding cashew pieces, raisins and tutti frutti. Well, you don't have to add it, but in many restaurants they do add. So we are adding here. Now it's also optional to add food color. We are adding orange red color. Not only red but orange red. Our gravy is exactly taste like the restaurant one. So why not to give it the exact same appearance? And I guarantee you guys, serve it to anyone and no one can differentiate whether it is restaurant bought or homemade one. And this is the basic red gravy which can be used in so many Punjabi dishes. So stay tuned to my channel because we are going to make the whole restaurant menu and its exotic subzis in our kitchen soon. So keep on watching and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also comment down below which subzi you want to see and we will make it. Promise guys. So do try this gravy at home and I will see you soon with another delicious recipe next week. Till then, bye.